All right, another project in the bag. So, Jimmy D sent me a goodie. I know what it is, but I've never seen it. I know it's a knife, aka Jimmy Slaps. Shout out to the Donkey crew. He knows what's up. Anyways, doing a little bit of unboxing here. I'm gonna use my DMKusa handmade, handcrafted right here in the Sunshine State flipper. Yeah, titanium, Damascus. Everyone's been dying to purchase this off of me, but I don't know. For the right price, maybe one day. Yeah. Oh, shit. This thing's already cleaned up, man. How am I going to do a refurbish on this? This thing's already cleaned up. This guy must have cleaned it up without me knowing. I see there's a few things that can be done. I could see that. Wow. Oh yeah, that's right. He said something about it doesn't lock. So yeah, I can see that. There's a problem. There's an issue right there. Now we're seeing the problems. That's right. All right. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Next time you see me with this one, I'll probably have it apart, or we're gonna do a refurbish, maybe a restore or repair job. Take out the pins. I see a little bit of a crack there. Who knows? All right, let's get this thing going. These smaller pins I'm going to have a hard time with. I'm going to have to grind this down a little more. Yeah. Alright, I think I got it. I hit the bolster a little bit. Alright, there we go. Right there. And I gotta wheel it down. Alright, nice hard hit. There we go. Alright, there we have it. Alright, so continue taking out this folder apart. Alright. Here goes the middle. Now the two ends. Here's one. Oh, what's going on there? Alright, this is where I want it to come to right here. So, yeah, I think that'll be pretty good, huh? So it'll just be a saw. It'll be unique. Nobody has that. Alright, so now put it back together. Okay, there's one. I think I can take out this spacer. Now that's going to be cute taking out this thing. Let's see. See that? There we go. That's it. So now is the hardest part of it all, is putting it back together. See if this pin goes in. Going. How about this one? Yes, that's going too. Oh yes, alright, okay, that's going. Now, this one's going to be very interesting. How am I going to do this? Alright, I think I can get that. Let me use this bottom part here. Nope. And the pin is bending, so I might have to put a new pin here. How about if I give it a good whack, huh? Not that great. Hey, that's not too bad. Okay. Now it's going to be the hard part. Is getting the spring to go down, and then me putting that middle pin back in. Just ground off the head, so it can make it nice and simple going through. Well, I shouldn't say simple, just a little easier. Here's my idea. I'm going to use the vise to clamp it down. See if that works. I've never tried it, so this will be a first. Alright, here we go. Oh, it might go. It is going down. Let's see. Hitting something. Well, take the chance. Oh, just bending it like crazy. Holy shit. Okay, so, okay, here we go. Let me try not to break this. Okay, it's going. As you can see. Now the problem that I'm going to have here is I'm going to have to re-epoxy this. So I'm going to clean this all up. I'm going to re-epoxy it, and then at the end we are going to grind it down. We're going to go a little thinner than what it is, so we can blend all this shit. Alright, I've got some epoxy on here. Try to get that pin through. There we go. It's time to go. There we go. See that? That's working out nice. And then while I'm here, these other pins here, put them down a little bit. Okay, that one's good. That might, I think I went way too down on that one. That's a problem. Let's see. Oh well, I'll fix that. Alright, the next thing is open the blade up. Put some clamps in. That's it. Alright, here's how we're looking. Looking like a mess, right? Now it's time to sand it all down and make it nice. We're going to make it more slimmer so you can have a nice eye appeal. It'll look good. Who knows what happened there? That wasn't me though. So, what's that? Alright. And yeah, that was me. And I didn't crack that. That's not a crack for me. Okay, so let's get this going.
canning there. Alright, this side's thin as it can be. I gotta go on this side and match this side now. So about to come on, huh? Okay. Keep working with it. Not a problem. Shout out to the dirty water. I'll drink from this right now. I'm just kidding. Giving her a final sanding by hand. Special shout out to my wheel. Been using this thing since 2012. Look at that thing. Tiny. Don't try this at home, kids. Put the real size on. It's actually in the mail. It'll come in soon. Don't worry about it. Careful grinding these, they can get caught on the teeth. And when you do this, never hold it like this. Hold it like this, in here, like that. If it gets snagged, I'll just take it to the floor. I like to go like that as well. Shout out to the dog behind me, about to attack my leg. Shout out to Mellow Leather, texting me like a man. Anyways, ended up finish this thing. Yeah, the pre-existing cracks over there, it's not too bad overall. It's nice and smooth, good finish. Eliminated the release. Now it's a slip joint. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick project. Want to give a shout out to all my new subs. Special shout out to the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. And another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and the plugs out there. You know who you are as well. Thanks again. Cheers.